welcome back to my channel. If you're new, what's up? My name is Lisa. Make sure you subscribe to join our little family. Today I have a what's in my bag video. I did one a couple months ago. Can't really remember when exactly, but I was using this backpack that I got from AliExpress for a while, and yesterday my new bag came because I ordered it a couple days ago because I saw it and I was just like, I need this baby. This is what it looks like. It's by Michael Kors, and the reason why I got this one was because it really reminded me of just YSL bags, and I wanted this exact bag but just in regular black, without the texture, probably like a year ago. Like, I really wanted it, but I was just like, no, it's too expensive at the time. Like, it was just, I just couldn't afford it. This time I actually wanted to get like a Gucci bag or something for my birthday, but then it was like, is it really worth it? Like, I can find a really cute bag that's still kind of designer but not as expensive. So I just went with this, even though it's not my birthday yet. It's my birthday in like a month and a half. So this is my early birthday present, and I don't know, I saw it and I was just like, this reminds me so much of YSL. Just like the texture, like they have a bag that's similar to this, like in shape, and then they also always do like this type of, I wouldn't say this is snake, it's more of like a crocodile type of texture. I don't know if you can see that. I just thought it was beautiful, and then with the gold hardware, it's literally just me. So I don't know the exact name of this bag, but I'll put it on the screen. I got it from the website Fashionnet, which is basically a website that just sells like designer stuff, from Michael Kors to like Gucci to like YSL to like Prada and everything. I think this one was actually discounted. I don't know exactly how much the discount was, but I ended up paying about 205 euros, which I think is pretty good for a bag like this. I think that's it. Let's just get started. If you want to know what's in my bag, then just keep on watching. Okay, so this is my bag. It comes with like a long strap, which is how I wear it usually, and then obviously two small ones. And what I really like is that it has the little feet at the bottom for when I put it down on the floor. It doesn't like damage the bag. Okay, so it has about 3 compartments. It has the back, the middle zip compartment, and then the front, which the front actually also, I don't know if you can see that, but it has 3 compartments for like cards, which is really, really nice. I'm just gonna start in the bag. So right here, first thing I have is this like wristlet, and in here I literally just have gift cards and like random cards, and then just literally so much coins. Yeah, I don't like having, well, I like having money, duh. I don't like having like coins or just like bills. I prefer having my money on my debit card, but yeah, any coins go in here, and I really need to try to actually use those because I always forget they're in there. The second and last thing in the back compartment are my keys. These are my house keys. They're just there for easy access, and I have a little pom-pom so I don't lose it. And again, easy access because I always just seem to not be able to find my keys, so I put this back on there because I wasn't using it for a while. And so yeah, so in the middle compartment, I use this for like important stuff that I don't want to lose ever, because it is like an open bag. It doesn't really close besides this part, which has a zipper. So the first thing that is in there is my passport. I don't necessarily need to bring this with me because I do have my ID as well, but I kind of just like having it with me because I really don't know why. I look rough. My wig looks rough in this. Okay, I also have my little card holder by DKNY as my debit card in the front, and then I have my ID, credit card, and my health insurance card. So these are like my important cards that if I need to pay, I grab it. If I need to show my ID, I grab it. Such things like that. I got this bag yesterday. It's like very clean and like not a mess, which is like, it's very organized because I literally organized it yesterday. But after a couple weeks, like, it's really not this cute anymore. But I try to always go through my bags like once a week or something to kind of throw any trash out and like organize it again, because I'm just a very organized person. So in the front part right here, the last section, first thing I have are my sunglasses. These are my Ray-Bans, which I just automatically always have in my bag. I do sometimes wear different sunglasses, but these are like my go-to because they're really cute. Then I have my headphones. I cannot leave my house without headphones if I'm by myself. If I'm with someone else, I don't really care to listen to music because I have someone to talk to. But if I'm by myself, I need to put in headphones. Like, it helps with my anxiety a lot because whenever I go out by myself, I just get crazy anxiety. But having headphones really helps because I can kind of zone out the world and like, I don't know, like people don't talk to me as much if I'm wearing headphones. And I know that sounds like super ridiculous, but I just need headphones. I know that a lot of you guys will be able to relate to this. Like, I just cannot walk around outside by myself without listening to music. Then I have my little perfume. This has the Marc Jacobs Daisy in it. Oh, it smells so good. This is just nice to have for on the go if you just want to smell nice, or you see like your crush and you're like, quick spritz, like, oh, you smell like all fresh again. Or I don't know, even if it's like summer, especially now it's summer, you know, like when you've been sweating all day and you just feel dirty, you just kind of want to kind of freshen up, be like, you know what, I need a shower but I can't right now. You just spray some of that. I have, wait, this is trash. Some plastic in here. I have some tissues. I literally have had these for so long. I never really use them, but I feel like they always kind of come in handy to just have a pack of tissues with you for whatever reason. Sometimes other people need it. I just always need this in my bag. Then I have some hand sanitizer, which again, I don't use super often, but if you can't wash your hands and they're dirty, I just remembered I took off my ring and I didn't put it back on. I think I left it by the sink. But anyways, hand sanitizer. I'm very tempted to go grab it, but that's like, there's no reason to do that. I have a pen because sometimes you need it. It's not a very cute pen. It's literally green, but I don't know. Sometimes you just need a pen, so I like to have this with me. I also have some hand cream, and to be honest, this isn't my favorite, but it smells really good. That's some more trash. And then the last thing I have is this compartment with the card slots. That's what it's called. At the top, I just have my public transportation card, and I can use it for the bus, the train, the tram, the metro, anything. Then I have two cards in one slot. One is for the tanning salon, and then the other one is for the drugstore, because I just go there quite often. And this is just one of those cards where you can get like points on or whatever, and you can collect points and get discounts or something. But I go to this specific drugstore a lot, so it's just easy to grab, and I don't have to grab my whole bracelet. And then the last card is this, also kind of like a points thing card for the grocery store that I go to most often. If you want to get like a discount, you like get the card, whatever. You don't need it, but like it's nice to have. Yeah, that is all that's in my bag. Let me put this back in there. This bag definitely fits more stuff, but I don't like to just put too much in there. I still like to have some room for like a lip gloss or like a powder, or I don't know, even if it's like a granola bar or something, just to have some room for like other stuff. And yeah, so that's my bag. I literally love it so much. I think it's so beautiful, and I'm so happy I got it. It was definitely worth the money. I posted her on my Instagram, and I asked you guys to give me name suggestions, but I haven't been able to find one that I liked yet. Like, I don't know what to call her. Someone said call her Coco, but it's like, she's not Chanel. We're not there yet, but like, you know, we're on our way to Chanel, but like, this is it for right now. I just don't know what to call her. Someone said ebony or noir, which both stand for like black, and I think actually ebony is kind of cute. Should I call her Ebony? I think her name is Ebony. So meet Ebony. She's very classy, she's very cute. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you did, and of course subscribe. Also turn on my post notifications so that you'll be notified every time I upload a video. If you want to keep up with me besides my videos, I have all my social media links down below. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat if you want. I don't really use it, but you can add me if you want. If you want to. It's time for me to stop filming now. Okay, great. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video.